G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. Good morning all, it's 10:08 in the morning and I want to show you some feeding birds. Did have the magpies up there before, even the young one down on the ground in there, and I had that one having something to eat and whinging, begging mum for food. But it wasn't doing that. I got my camera set up. We got 0.2 mils of rain last night, between 10 AM and 10 AM. God, they're beautiful. I've got some wild birds here. Oh, the kangaroos there too, to the left of us. Jumping away. No one's else going to land. No, I'll zoom in a bit longer for these ones then. It's good competition. There's two in a tree, another one came here, same species. Looks a bit older, I think. Well, they're saying that's their territory. I didn't realise I can go to this one to eat. magpie. I think it's going to scare it away in a minute. Yep. Didn't even have to fly up there. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, starting off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. It's a nice lighting onto that one in the tree. We can quick zoom in before we head off onto this one in the tree if we can. As the sun hits, it's just quite nice. Sun's going down. Not going behind clouds, I think. Ah, well. Anyway, you all have fun and take it easy, everyone. There we go. This magpie's going to jump up there, is it? No. Just wondering what this magpie's going to do. Nothing. Oh well. You all have fun.